Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to the new video of English speaking. I'm your coach and I'm here to help you to improve your English speaking so that you can feel confident and speak English fluently with anyone and in front of everyone. So, for this, I have amazing exercise for you, vocabulary building, because vocabulary is very important if you really want to speak in English. So let's start today's video with some new and advanced words. So the word for the day is brevity. The spelling is Brevity. Brevity, that is the pronunciation. So the meaning is briefness. And now I will make a sentence. The audience was deeply grateful for the brevity of after dinner speaker's remark. Next word, broach. Same, Broach, and the pronunciation is broach. Now listen the meaning carefully. To open up a subject for discussion. Listen the sentence carefully. Henrietta was proud of her new dress, so no one knew how to broach the subject with her of how silly grandmothers look in leather. Next word, bucolic. Bucolic. Biocolic, and that is the pronunciation biocolic. Listen the meaning carefully. Charmingly rural, rustic, or country like. Listen the sentence carefully. The changing of autumnal leaves, old stone walls, distant views, and the horses grazing in the green meadows are examples of bucolic splendor. Next word, bureaucracy, and the pronunciation is bureaucracy, and the spelling is Bureaucracy. Listen the meaning: a system of government administration consisting of numerous bureaus or offices. Now the sentence. The Department of Motor Vehicles is a bureaucracy. Every clerk you speak with the hands you a printed forms and tells you to stand in the line somewhere else. Next word, bourgeon. Burgeon, and the pronunciation is bourgeon. Bourgeon, and the meaning to expand, to flourish. Now the time for sentence. The bourgeon weeds in our yard soon overwhelmed the grass. Next word, burlesque. Burlesque. The spelling is Burlesque. A ludicrous, mocking, or exaggerated limitation. Vaudeville actors frequently perform burlesque works on the stage. Burlesque parody, lampoon, and caricature share. Next word, cacophony. Spelling Cacophony. Harsh sounding mixture of words. Now the time for sentence. A cacophony is not just a lot of noise, it is a lot of noise that does not sound good together. Cadence. Cadence. Rhythm, the rise and the fall of sound. We wished the tone of Irwin's words would have a more pleasing cadence. Cajole. Cujole. Cajole. Persuade someone to do something he or she does not want to do. I do not want to give the speech, but Jewel cajoled me into doing it by telling me what a good speaker I am. So we have completed the word for the day. Why English is more important nowadays? Do you want to get a job in corporate sector or MNC? So very important is English. If you have the knowledge of English, if you have the command over communication skills, so you can easily get the jobs over here. Do you want to go in overseas studies in Canada or Australia, where you need to qualify IELTS and TOEFL examination, which is a language test? Again, you need a good communication skills, good reading skills, listening skills, and speaking skills. How will you improve your speaking skills? By practicing English speaking. How will you improve your English reading? Read English newspaper every day, read a book, read a magazine. How will you improve your listening exercise? How you can understand the English? Start listening English media. If you will do these exercises every day, you will going to improve your English. It is very easy because English is the most easiest language in this world. That is why it has become a global language. Yes, it is very easy language, but with the consistency you can improve your language. So believe in yourself that you can speak in English, and you will definitely going to speak in English. So see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. That's all for today. Thank you so much.